All right, guys. So YouTube finally paid one of my new faces YouTube channel. So you can see the channel right here, Psychology Hub. It's about psychology, motivation, and all that. And I created this channel. Let's just say it has been 1 year, but I wasn't consistent. I just posted around 10 videos. Then I actually abandoned the channel. But I started posting back 3 months ago. And once I got back, the channel just exploded. If I go to the most popular video, you can see that one of my most viral video is actually just 3 months ago with 500 over 500,000 views. This is the video that actually blew up the channel, got the channel monetized and everything. Then another 400,000, then 45,000, 24,000, and etc. This is not a big channel at all. If I go down, you will see 2k, and you see a lot of 900, 1k, even 500, 200 views, like a lot. So this is basically not a big channel, but it's actually a consistent channel, a channel that you can actually run and make real money, but not that viral big channel. Anyone can actually run this channel basically. Okay, so in today's video, what I want to do is actually to share with you the revenue, how much this kind of channel can actually earn when it comes to the RPM. So I'm going to share with you the revenue of this channel for the last 28 days, like from today as day one back to the 28 days. Okay, and I'm going to share with you the revenue, the views, and we are going to compare the revenue with the view to see the RPM. That's the most important thing. Does this niche actually has a great RPM, whether $3, $4, $5 as RPM, then the niche is good. And at the end of that, I'm going to share with you the process that I use to create this kind of video. All right, so let me just show you real quick how this kind of video actually looks like. It's very, very simple to create, so I'm going to show you like the process and everything, so that you can use your own idea and create videos like this. So you can see the kind of video it is. Very simple videos to create, but you need to understand some few things to not make any mistakes and get your channel deleted. So the first thing we're going to do, I'm going to go to the YouTube studio right here. If I go to YouTube, I'm going to share with you how much I earned in the last 28 days, and we are going to check the RPM. After that, we go back to ChatGPT and we start the creation process. If you are ready, let's jump right in. So let me go to the channel right here. I click on it. All right, so once I head to the YouTube studio, you can see that in the last 28 days, the channel actually got over 260,000 views in total in the last 28 days. And you can see the watch time crazy. Some people are looking for 4k watch hours, but you can see just 1 month is crazy though. And if I go to the revenue, in the last 28 days, I got over $842. So basically, with over 260k views for over $800, this is basically around 3.5 and $3.4 as RPM. So basically, for me, if you can find a faceless channel that can earn around $3 RPM to $5 RPM, bro, is already good. All right, guys, so that is it. Now we head to ChatGPT, and I'm going to share with you right now the process that I use to create the content. If you are ready, let's jump right in. So the first thing is, like I'm already on ChatGPT, the first thing is to copy one prompt and paste it. So all the prompts I'll be using right now will be in the description of this video, so go check them out. Okay, so let's copy the first prompt, and paste it into ChatGPT. So let me just copy right now. This is the first prompt, as you can see. All right, and let's copy it and then head to ChatGPT, and then we are gonna paste it right here. Okay, so let's check exactly what it says. All right, so I want to create an animated storytelling YouTube channel focused on psychology. Generate 5 viral video ideas about psychology following these modules. Okay, the psychology of people who da 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 da. So let me just send it right here. Okay, and you can see he's actually listing out the video ideas, the first, the second, the third, and all those things. So you don't need to read them out. Okay, you can just read, but you don't need to read them out. The second thing is to copy and paste the second prompt. All right, so go right here and copy all of it, the second prompt, head to ChatGPT again, and then paste it right here. And then maybe you can check it. Perfect. Now I like to make a video about da da da, and bro, now what you are going to do is, you can see perfect, and now like to make a video about you can see insert title. You are going to choose one of the title that ChatGPT gave you right here, okay, and paste it in here. All right, to do that is very simple. Let me just choose this one, okay, copy, and then paste it right here. That's all. Then send it, and you are done, my friend. So you can basically see it. Okay, scene number one, voice over and the prompt. Scene number two, the voice over, also the prompt. The voiceover for the voiceover basically, and the prompt for generating images and all that. So this is exactly what you are going to do. Okay, we already have everything. Now let's jump to the next step, which is start creating visuals. All right, so to start creating the images, the first thing we are going to do is very simple. Okay, we'll head over some what secret platform that I'll review at the end of this video. Okay, so once we learn on this platform, as you might expect, is incredibly simple. As you can see, what we are going to do is just to copy paste prompt that are generated on ChatGPT, like we did earlier. So the first thing I'm going to do is to copy, okay, one the prompt for the image, come here and paste it. All right, and then boom, click on generate. As you can see, here's the first visual that's been created. Honestly, that's pretty impressive, all in just a few seconds, bro. So now what we do next, we repeat the same process. Okay, keep going for all the other prompts. All right, that's just it. Okay, all right, so here is the result for all the other prompts. So once again, the quality is really good. As you can see, this will allows us to actually visually illustrate all the value and what the voiceover is gonna be saying and all that. Okay, all right, so once you have all the images, you are going to save them in a folder. All right, so the next step is now to animate those stick images. Okay, because we are not going to use them like that. You are going to get demonetized if you do so. Okay, to do that is the same thing. Okay, it's the same platform. Okay, now go to the session video generation, the same tool. Okay, video generator. Okay, and here you can import one of the visual you just created. Okay, and you add a small prompt to tell AI what to do. So we'll keep it simple and just ask it to slightly animate the scene and make the characters move a bit, nothing more, nothing less. Okay, and then I click generate, and here is what I actually get. It actually turned a static image into a short video. As you can see, it's crazy, and I'll do the same with the other visuals as well. So now let's discover, okay, the result of the other images that we converted into video. And once again, we are not disappointed. The result is really excellent. Just take a look at these videos, bro. This is crazy. It actually looks like it was created in a high tech studio. This is crazy, but not. This is just video created with artificial intelligence, okay, with the right instruction. And that's all right. So what you're going to do is to save them all in a folder. Okay, now what we need to do is the voice over. Okay, we need to get the voice over. It's very, very important. That's what is gonna narrate the video. But if you can use your own voice, please, I'll suggest you do it that way. If not, if you can have any other voiceover that is not actually so used by people, that is not free also, bro, you can go ahead and do it. If not, I would just suggest you use your own voice. Okay, and for that, it's very simple. We are going to use the same tool, as you can see. Okay, and what we are going to do is to copy paste the prompts, okay, or the text that ChatGPT gave us for the voiceover. That's all. Okay, so that's perfect. What we are going to do is very simple. Go to the tool again, and you go to the voice generator session. And once you arrive here, what we are going to do is to paste everything into this session. Okay, and once that's done, I check if there's any small adjustment to make. I'm going to select a voice. For example, we can choose Brian, and slightly click on generate button. Done. So I save it in my folder. So all that's left right now is to assemble everything, to put everything together to make one video. Okay, and to do that, we are going to use our editing software, which is CapCut. It's free. Just go and download it. All right. All right, so once CapCut is actually launched, the first thing to do is to import all the files we just created. Okay, then we are going to take the short videos, the animated visuals, and place them onto what we call timeline. Now, why not add the voice overs we created as well? Just make sure everything is properly match up, synchronized. Very, very important. All right, the voiceover needs to match actually the right session. That's very, very important. Next, why not add a music? Okay, you can add any background music, but make sure you lower the volume. It's very, very important. Don't add music with lyrics. It's just background music, okay? Because you already have a voice over in it. Okay, so after you've done, make sure you do some few editing. Is very important. Feel free to, to do your own editing, add transition, zoom in, zoom out. You all know that, right? So after you've done with everything, finally, if you also want to add subtitles, it's very important. So take your time and, do everything well about it. And once you are done, once everything looks good for you, what we are going to do is to import the project. Okay, it's very, very straightforward. Go to the menu, then file, all right, and export. Here we will make sure, okay, we are set to 1080p and 30 fps. Then I click on export button, and that is it, my friend. So that's how I create videos like this. This is the formula you use it to create your own video with your own idea. If you don't like this kind of niche, I have other video, okay, that I created around something like this channel that got monetized. I'll put one video here for you. It's gonna help you a lot, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, it was Joshua, and bye.